Let's see how to make these beautiful keema cutlets. Now here I've taken 450 grams of chicken mince or keema. You can take any meat like beef or mutton. Then I've washed it very well under running water. Then I've heated about a tablespoon of oil and I've added the chicken to it, and I'm going to fry it well till it changes its color. Then I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste. Now all the measurements of all the ingredients are going to be in the description box below. I've also added some pepper powder, some turmeric or haldi powder, salt, and given all of this a nice mix. Then I'm going to turn off the flame and just add the juice of half a lemon. And then I'm going to transfer this to a mixing bowl and let the mixture come to room temperature. Now I'm going to add some coriander powder, I'm going to add some jeera powder and some bread pieces or slices of bread just broken up into small pieces. Then I'm going to heat about half a tablespoon of oil and fry some green chillies and some onions, which are both been cut very fine. We're going to fry this till the onions become translucent, add it to the mixture, add some freshly chopped coriander and 1 egg. Then you can also add some salt to taste and mix the mixture like this. Then we're going to take some breadcrumbs. I'm going to tell you how to make some breadcrumbs at home if you don't have any breadcrumbs. And then you're just going to shape it up into cutlets, or you can even make croquettes. And then you're just going to dip it into the breadcrumbs and shape it up well. Also keep about 2 tablespoons of oil heating in a frying pan to fry these cutlets. Now you can make all the cutlets and store them and fry them whenever you feel like. They stay in your refrigerator for about 2 to 3 days, or you can freeze them in your freezer. They stay for about a week, and then just thaw them and fry them whenever you require. Now, even if you don't have some chicken keema at hand, you can just take some boneless chicken breast and mince it really fine and use it for this recipe too. And then all we have to do is just put it in the oil and fry it on a low to medium flame till they're nice and golden brown and crispy. So this is how they look, and you can make put them in some pav or some burger breads, or just have them all by themselves, or have them with some plain pulao